Hi, and welcome to another year of unboxing videos at the Switch Lab at EPS Global. So today, I have a really interesting solution for DCI, for Data Center Interconnect, and also IP transport over DWDM. So we have 4 boxes. We have 2 from UfiSpace, we have 2 from Smartoptics, and we also have 400 gig ZR Optics. So we're going to unbox everything, and I'll explain how this solution works. Okay, so this is 2 boxes from the 4 that we had earlier. That's part of the Data Center Interconnect solution and IP transport over DWDM. So what we actually have here are 2 Smartoptics multiplexers. So thanks Smartoptics for sending these over. Great company to work with, and we've worked on them with them on multiple projects. So what we actually have are 2 40-channel fully automated multiplexers. So this will allow us to send a signal 1 to 160 kilometers, depending on the modulation that's being used. And as I said, there's extra parts of this solution, so we're going to add in another 2 routers, and we're going to add in the optics and show you how we can actually send a signal, or multiple signals, as the case is with the multiplexer, over up to 160 kilometers. Okay, so here is our full solution. We actually have 2 solutions here for Data Center Interconnect and IP transport over DWDM. By the way, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Okay, the solution. So let's imagine, we're going to have to use our imagination here a little bit. Imagine this is sitting in a data center, and this is sitting in our other data center, and we have an 80-kilometer distance between them. So we now have a solution. So this box is S9510-28DC from UfiSpace, and the software on it is OcNOS from IP Infusion. We have Coherent Optics, so 100 and 400 gig ZR plus optics from Coherent, so Coherent Optics from Coherent. So we can now send a 400 or 100 gig signal 80 kilometers from this box to this box. There's our Data Center Interconnect. But obviously things are more complicated than that within data centers. So what would happen if I had multiple boxes at one data center and multiple boxes in the other data center? Obviously I need a multiplexer. I need some type of system to send the data from one place to another. So imagine again, I have 10 of these sitting in my data center. I can send that signal now through this fully automated 40-channel multiplexer up to 160 kilometers to my other location, depending on modulation, to another bunch of boxes. So again, maybe I have 10 here. I can multiplex them and send them to my other location, as I said, anywhere up to 160 kilometers. Fully automated, zero touch provisioning solution. So that is our 2 solutions for Data Center Interconnect and IP transport over DWDM.